Welcome to another episode of our podcast, episode 2, which is To Love the Lord. I'm your host, Kel, and these are my group members.
I'm Aaron.
I'm Derek.
I'm Zachi.
And I am Joshua.
So, let's start for episode 2. Our first question is: how do you manifest love for God?
Uh, for me, I manifest by praying, alam mo yun, sa sorry, nagpapenitensya ka sa mga mali mo, tapos, yun, by praying din. Next.
Si Derek naman, gusto ko rin malaman yung side mo. How
Hello.
do you manifest your love for God?
I manifest my love for God sa pamamagitan ng pagiging mabait at pagtulong sa iba. Kahit sa simpleng paraan like pagiging pakikinig sa mga kaibigan, pagbibigay ng oras o pagtulong sa mga nangangailangan. Yun lang.
For Zachi naman, gusto ko rin malaman yung perspective mo.
By living according to His teachings and commandments, showing kindness and compassion to others, and maintaining a sincere relationship with Him through prayer, worship, and gratitude.
That's good, that's good. So, sa'yo naman, Joshua.
I show my love for God by being kind and respectful to others. I try to help my friends and family whenever I can.
Okay. Para sa akin naman, I show my love for God through, ayun nga, from episode 1, I said through prayer. Since I really find prayer comforting, I pray and give thanks to God, even though I still struggle with my faith. Since deep down, I know it gives me comfort and joy to know that I can still show my faith even though I'm still struggling with it. And I show kindness to others. I pray, give thanks, and I want to strive to do what is right even when it's difficult. So that's for the first question. The second is, what is the biggest act that you have done to manifest your love for God? Ikaw, Aaron. Yung biggest manifestation.
For me, by serving. Since nagsiserve ako sa isang org namin, for me, that's one way to manifest my love for God by serving to others and yun, by helping them and comforting them sa mga bagay na yun, nahirapan sila.
Derek.
For me, yung pinakamalaking ginawa ko para maipakita ko ang pagmamahal ko sa Diyos ay pagbibigay ng mga pagkain, ng mga relief goods or damit, gano'n. Pagdo-donate sa mga naapektuhan ng bagyo o yung mga may kailangan, gano'n. Yun lang.
Zachi?
I try to put my faith into action by helping others selflessly, forgiving those who have hurt me, and trusting God even in difficult times.
Joshua?
The biggest act of love I'm showing for God, forgiving someone who hurt me. It was hard, but I realized that God teaches us to forgive.
Mm,
Probably, I don't really know to be honest because I ha- I have done a lot of things that have helped people. Although going to specifics, probably forgiving the people that have done me wrongly, and people make mistakes, and God sacrificed His life to for our sins, and
for me, the biggest act that I have done to manifest my love for God is following His teachings, and even if following these teachings were difficult, the biggest act I could say is showing love and respect to other people or showing love to thy neighbor as thyself. So for our third question and last question for episode 2, if you have not done it yet, how do you plan to manifest this love?
I will plan to manifest this love by dedicating more time serving people, serving other people, especially the poor people and those who feels unloved. I would um I would make them feel valuable and important in their life, and I will mm, I'll, maybe we will share gospels to each other, going to the church. Yeah.
Ikaw, Aaron.
Ah, like ng sinabi ko kanina, ah, we have a we have an organization sa province that is serving others, like helping them na basta choir siya, and then every year na malis kami just to serve others, or like comfort them sa things na parang mahirap for them. Ayun.
Derek?
Ah, for me, kung feeling ko hindi ko pa nagagawa ng todo, plano kong mag-serve kay God sa pamamagitan ng pagtulong sa mga tao sa paligid ko, like sa community o ah, um, ah, going to church every Sunday, gano'n. Yun lang.
Zachi?
By plan to I plan to manifest my love for God by deepening my faith and living according to His will each day. I want to grow closer to Him through prayer, studying His Word, and serving others with compassion and humility.
Joshua?
For me, if I haven't shown enough love yet, I plan to do by serving others and showing compassion. I will also keep praying and thank Him every day.
How would I manifest my love for God? I will show my love for God by obeying the commandments and following through His words, and being kind to others and showing compassion on people that, especially those who are in need. I will also thank Him every day and go to church whenever I can, especially on Sundays, and trust Him on my process in life, since He's the one that gives me purpose.
That's good, that's good. For me, ako talaga, I think I have not yet manifested my love for God as much as I want it to be. I still feel like I'm lacking that part, yung faith part. So, I plan to show it or manifest it by just being consistent with my efforts in to believing Him and putting more faith in Him, even when it's difficult for me to believe. So, that's all for our episode 2, To Love the Lord. That concludes our answers and our reflections.